How to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi on the go.
Hello there. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the steps on how to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi when you are outside of your home. Xfinity Wi-Fi is a network of hotspots available at no additional charge for Xfinity Internet customers. It's an excellent resource for keeping you connected on the go.
Are you eligible for Xfinity Wi-Fi on the go?
Before we start, make sure you're an Xfinity Internet customer. Not all customers have access to Xfinity Wi-Fi on the go. If you are unsure, please check your subscription details or contact Xfinity customer service.
Find an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot.
The first step to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi outside of your home is to find a hotspot. Xfinity has an app, Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspots, available on Android and iOS devices that can help you locate the nearest hotspot. Once you download and install the app, it will display a map showing the location of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots in your vicinity.
Connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network.
Now that you've found a hotspot, it's time to connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your device. Select the network named Xfinity Wi-Fi. If prompted, enter your Xfinity username and password.
Troubleshooting.
If you're having trouble connecting, try forgetting the network and reconnecting or restarting your device. If problems persist, contact Xfinity's customer support for assistance. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. With Xfinity Wi-Fi on the go, you can stay connected wherever you go. Don't forget to download the Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspots app to make locating hotspots easier. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Xfinity's customer support. Happy surfing! Remember, your usage of Xfinity Wi-Fi outside of your home will count towards your monthly data usage. So always keep an eye on your data consumption. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.